Nagaland, in northeast India, is a land of hills, valleys and vibrant tribes. Each tribe has its own language, dress and stories, creating a rich tapestry of cultures. The Hornbill Festival brings all tribes together in a spectacular celebration of music, dance and tradition. Storytelling is central. Elders share tales by the fire, passing down wisdom and history. Nagaland's culture is a living bridge between nature and heritage, and every visitor is invited to listen. High in the mountains lies Dzuko Valley, a hidden paradise on the Nagaland-Manipur border. In summer, the valley bursts into colour with wildflowers, especially the rare Dzuko lily. Reaching Dzuko means trekking through bamboo forests and steep hills, rewarded by breathtaking views. The valley is sacred to the Angami tribe, who protect its beauty and ask visitors to respect the land. Rivers and streams crisscross the green expanse, and in monsoon, flowers blanket the valley. Visitors camp under the stars, soaking in the peace and silence. The Angami people's stewardship keeps Dzuko pristine, a sanctuary for both nature and spirit. Here, nature and tradition are deeply entwined. Dzuko Valley is not just a destination, it's an experience of wonder and respect. It's a reminder of how harmony with nature can endure. In Mon district, the village of Longwa straddles the India-Myanmar border. Its chief's house sits in both countries. The Konyak tribe is famed for its warrior past and tattooed headhunters. Tattoos were earned through acts of courage, each a badge of honor. The Ang, or king, rules villages on both sides, his house adorned with animal skulls. Longwa's unique history makes it a living museum of Naga heritage. Here, history is alive in the faces of its people. Nagaland today is a blend of tradition and modern life. In villages like Longwa, elders wear tattoos while youth sport jeans and use smartphones. Young people pursue education and new careers, yet still join in festivals and speak their tribal languages. Weaving and wood carving remain vital arts, with each tribe's patterns telling their own story. Modern amenities, electricity, roads and media connect Nagaland to the world. Christianity is now central, with churches as community hubs alongside traditional councils. Balancing old and new isn't always easy, but Naga youth strive to honour their heritage while embracing change. This journey is shared by indigenous communities everywhere. In Nagaland, the future is being built on the foundation of a proud past. The result is a culture that evolves without losing its soul. Here, the digital age and ancient traditions walk side by side. Nagaland's story is one of adaptation and hope. Nagaland's true spirit lies in its people, their kindness, resilience and pride in their culture. From the wild beauty of Dzuko Valley to the storied village of Longwa, every place tells a tale of survival and celebration. Meeting the last headhunters and witnessing vibrant festivals reveals a culture both ancient and alive. The Naga people honour their past while embracing new opportunities, keeping their traditions vibrant. Nagaland teaches us the value of diversity and the importance of preserving unique ways of life. It's a land where stories endure and the spirit of the people shines through change. For those who visit, Nagaland offers inspiration and a glimpse into a world where heritage and hope walk hand in hand. It is, above all, a land of enduring spirit.